That's why it's so important for students to start some kind of side hustle that has the ability to grow into something much bigger in the future. Look, I wasn't wealthy enough to be able to afford university or probably academically smart enough, but I always had side hustles. Ultimately, my side hustles turned into multi-million-dollar businesses and made me a millionaire. That's why today I'm going to dive into 7 side hustles students can start this year. To be honest, these can actually apply to anyone, anywhere in the world. And because I hate those silly videos that just regurgitate the same list of side hustle ideas, I'm actually going to share real life examples of people smashing it and rate them out of 5 in these important categories. How much time it takes to learn, how much money you need, and how difficult it is to make $1,000 per month. Side hustle idea number 1. Faceless short form content. This is Daniel Bitton. Like many of you, he started using social media for fun at the age of 13. Now at 16, he's earning $500,000 every single month creating short form content on Snapchat without even showing his face. It sounds unbelievable, but it's completely true. My son Curtis actually bumped into him at LAX airport, and after doing some research, I can assure you, he's not capping.